Bacha some aniti and Agyapong with the piano. Ube here, sir Ube chat a home infony at the atoho. Ope to make qua or a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now say pictures on one. And you'll be City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so 0594 603 869. Show me try quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum poniswa. A yapa dear, and no one City Event Masters. Bacha some aniti and Agyapong with the piano. Ube here, sir Ube chat a home infony at the atoho. Ope to make qua or a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now say pictures on one. And you'll be City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so.
You're not the phone you now, Crabashon, or any, but too much years your platform is so Afric Media. Fabauche will be an a chap who say, and then into the Atana City, and I is somewhat a trouble Montenegro, and I asked one bed, I best an ego Ede and mine. Yet, I need to say it was 2024, which happens to be an election year at the Mother Republic of Ghana. And a day so a dear Yura, a Dr. Bawumia, while elected the campaign executives and I say Omwa. On your omo 8-1 among, say Omobako in few more Akache any baby beer, say Omako, Ababaya campaign. Now, the campaign of one or selected an idea, Emu and 9 ABM Crophobia, Sabi. Now, Omo any Yabra Kennedy upon Prepon Agyapong in Asia. And I Yabra Kennedy Agyapong, a 24 Omo. Aso, San Crawford and 9 almost so any Yabra Kennedy Agyapong as Ansu Asia as campaign members. Ever sempa na ABC. Asemi akako ye twen emame entwen. Se ede asudwe ne beba, se ebekwa ne sen. Ni nyina ewo ensem wa ene de ye ba bekasa efa ho eno no. Eno enkotin koda yira ana se ohima a oda ewo eye municipality ba ko a ewo ififi mantam ho no yinim ne se honorable Hawa Kumse. When he said bia betutu dwa Yenny na yesu wo ho se Ghana economy ayetare ama sebe ye right to crown po yen tumi entry am say hwe na ma omo de monti ba bia na ye musa monko a wo wefu a ye oso nko wo ni kwani ko bi fom na ko hwe wo nse wo kra de wo ye small boy kra okwa Canada ade enkrofo etia Canadian $2,000 for a single room calculate ba Ghana cedis mo na sha de ho na be se Ghana ye tia ho grosso pa Yamatoye. Not a falling some no cacaninan, a bimo any yardring, a bimo so any no end yardring. Now, as I need commotion or a bet was on Namical said, City Event Masters, and answer Yasni, a DG and Profa, Pausha piano, and any day they can Obabeka and say, I sure so like it. Subscribe before commenting, bra, our comment section honor now, Bienia. Na ya kono wano e wano me ne Mr. Bruce ofidiem ha ye ba betwetwe enkomo ani nti no wo so betimi de odi aba e wo comment section hono share no bi ansan ke bi katwe bi ase ya ba live and colored e wo fa kwa wo hwe yen e wo ani nti ne yansan mre no mo ma ye hwe video a ye wura ba e ye hawakumsen odi etudwa ne emresisia.
Those days is and the Ghana ye kesi is na neso Ghana na nekese ti say the land was there but there were no people on the land. They be me call my father for what I tell them. They say those days now they were fishermen, but how many were they? How many canoes were operating? And then how many are they? How many canoes are operating? And no, I don't know whether because I me type a practical. What share those days your population in the country? And then the population is it the same? No. I heard someone saying say and then a dime boy di Ghana. Yeah. Uncle Canada. Last year August when I went to Canada. Now a dime boy. Oh, omunye bi kra no matwia. A month no is over 2,000 Canadian dollars. A month. Ewo Canada. It is a way adwuma na wo je akatwa 3,000 na wo de be 2,000. And yes a chamber and hall. One single room and our porch kitchen kakra. over 2,000 Canadian dollars. Our Canada. Now, sir, won't call be a fool. Wofu say wo de na enye ana wo na woni ma adose wo bi ewiase no ayedi wo baabia menka say people are not suffering. Okay, me as a member of parliament and where me fie me kromu wo kaswa no, I know what is in the system. But when you compare Ghana to other countries, Ghana is doing far better. My yen wo huru yen tuma go wa abontin as if say Ghana say kura ma me woman bi ka say aban brand beji wo no. I
also a nurse ni
me da na say e no kre. I know say sika no no so be na na ya aban government na na do sika no kre de mama me na nka nsu ni di na na do sika ya sisa ne de na na do kre sika de mama mi nurse ya wo ken ya say sika no kre nsu ni di because the more she gets the money the higher her priority, her needs, the higher her needs. There's nothing. Yeni na yeko school. I mean, economics kakra yesu as what you say. The thing is, on my penny sika na oje no, so oje ne na, say sika no kwa yesu ni di. Because the moment obe say ni sika no, and then answer.
My president catch us here this cash show.
My baba we bi ba say oye adwuma bi wo baabi. Oh, ma adwuma ne ye meje 12,000. Me say really?
12,000 Ghana.
12,000 Ghana.
Were you shocked?
I was shocked.
Aden edoso.
Now some me say yes minister MPs in Kwan Ejisika more than so when I heard about me say 12,000 was say I was say mama 12,000 is when so me.
Hey.
Was say no ya na meji marketia but me to eka prekwa ni me ho.
So many my dey. Niam akosoro.
Dabi. Tie enye nioma ayede. Sa wo hu so oje akatua. Dabi wo hu so oje akatua kese. Eti wo se wakoye mortgage. Wato dan mortgage ayete bosomi. Wasa akoto asase wo baabi wo ye wei wo ye nioma bebre
enti ye na ya ma ho kire na ba ye so ana
tie wo ye nioma bebre enti nioma na ono ankasa confess to me wo se enu enti no ama nioma na ye den adoso ebu egu me so enti mi sika no kra me gi ya no before beba mi nsem no na asa.
But honorable, you would agree with us to say the standard of living in Canada and the standard of living in Ghana enyepe.
That's your thinking, my brother.
And Oshe the way especially if a COVID-19 crafting example. During the COVID-19 era, Canada for no much almost citizens for credit. At least $1,000, 1,000 Canadian dollars every 2 weeks BR. Here in our country, there was nothing like that.
Were they paying their workers?
Of course, they were paying.
No.
They were paying.
Now say US, Ukraine, and you say US for lay their workers out.
Some workers.
Oh, some workers out.
Yeah, admit to say.
They were even though US or lay some of the workers out, but they were still giving them money.
Yes, so in a typical
and that
case,
number will not be. You see, the strength of Canada and Ghana is not the same. Yeah, to me, found to know. But what Ghana did during the COVID, Maza, so we knew what it is.
But in the Auditor General's report,
the
amount of money that was spent, it's not accounted for. I say, almost see a cotton when they draw no cry my medication now, money I put you
mean to me and can be found because I don't have details about it.
Right.
But in my small constituency now, me woman, Nyoma eba me constituency was not even enough. I, as the member of parliament, had to add mine. Oh, and you are near near the Pentecost has already, and other communities are buying the by you na fish mu emu local rice and a gari. Need na tilapia fresh ones no mo de ba na ye de koma wo mo mimi community I saw it. But you see bia na Canada say ma ye ka say na ban this discussion ko say na omo fa aduane no ko community no mo. But yen for say wo dis sika na ekwa emwa because sika no will not be that much. But wo ka bom na wo turn your man na ebe doso na wo de akọ. But still workers were receiving their salary.
So you have something to campaign about.
Oh yes. Share apart from road as some who can Nana me adia ba ko a eye me fe wo MPP amemu amedeti e adia ba ko pe won we kan yen yesisu.
Yes,
me nka say yenum kanea e bia yeti me nka say yenum kanea but yedumu a how many hours eni yedumu no na COVID-19 na a global crisis emma we are seeing. Esu na ye da dum so mu 12 hours ena na ye dem. It is with all this na ne yetumi da kane mu. Would unkoto fuel embegu generator mu. So fanye adwuma. Ye he na wo pe. Yes, fuel why ye dey. Ewo wiase ni na. Ghana, your fuel rising up to 23 cedis or so. And then it's less than 15 cedis.
It's around 12.9.
12.9.
13.
Whatever said 13. From 24 to 13. More than 100%.
But it was lower before you took over.
Oh. Now make catch us said that when it was even lower that we took over, were they able to buy fuel to the generator? Were they able now your system na you say machine be na say you. Dum so na e wo mu no. Na your fuel o mu de begum na your problem. Look, when you sit down you hear how much we invest in your light system who be true. And yes ka ketwa billions of dollars. Okay, now that time now you need global crisis no mama ye da dum so mu na for no born ye di Ghana ye da dum so mu but in the global crisis no ye da dum so mu and na fuel no so kwa bi Ghana when the global crisis we go Italy ha no ma park o mo cars no mo ntumi ento o mo nya fuel ni bi kwa ngum but Ghana na ne board but we could get the fuel we could usika we ntumi into oil crowd obedi e wo Germany want to mean talk more than one bottle. But Ghana, who will seek you could buy thousands of bottles to your home. Will be anyone very restrictive. And there, kwa Germany, kwa will lights because of lighting. In conform they be our Germany. They bath twice in a week because no water, no lights. Oh yeah, more time. More lights. Or more heating you. Germany has some na make you. Enye Nigeria me see Germany asem na make. But sometimes your person be show say we travel. Na wo kwa outside na wo ko hu ni o ma ekoso a. Ma me utina se no bisa ho say eh na wo man no sika ndoso wo man no but wo wasundwe wo wahoto. If you have the money you get what you want. Share eduane wo de Ghana.
Bani boarding.
Me see aduane ho odiana
there be no boarding
it's available but no board na ye dey no you see don't expect to say last 2 years now we talk your friend is saying banchi who kuta 50 Ghana cedi a obetu ato banchi na yi aba be there be ye biase ni economy enti what you were spending 2-3 years ago you should not expect to say the same thing about spending and na say wo kra wo nko wanim because wo kra po wanu mu taste no kra asesa. In Tebia those days, you know, now 50 cities now would me do for food, you know. Now a manenki to a but I never say, who am manenki to her. I was so when you beef kakra, and I said, Unyan and Chinam craving out the fra. Now, Chinam is not coming with a cost. It was sitting there, was a definitely. And sitting them. Yes, they are sitting them. Those days, is and the Ghana, I can see, is an Neso. Ghana, I can see, the land was there. But there were no people on the land. They me call my father for what I tell them. They say those days, now they were fishermen. But how many were they? How many canoes were operating?
And for not just say the Minister for Fisheries and Aquaculture and a Yetin and Nino I Honorable Hawa Kumsen. Nesama or the Echegu Yan original Hussein, which is say some more can no. The cost of living. Our Ghana could dream having say. You're funny saying, now you're funny saying. Mr. Bruce, yeah,
yeah.
In some way, I can you, wouldn't I, Juliana?
Bet you would see for you, be a tea. Yeah, mammy, how I Yakubu. Or Cassati to say typical Ghanaian politician.
Okay.
May I explain why I say that? Now, say Bawumia, say Nipa be say. And now, my baby campaign in the American chance 40% cry, he won't get it. Or can be business side. Let me give a drink a cry, if it's an Iberian offer. Yeah, Oko Canada now, all can. We have friends there. I have lots of friends there. Lots of them. Now, Oko Canada send ya say ya basic pay per 1 hour 50 Canadian dollar. What the background is come 10 cedis. Now 50 Canadian dollar. What the effort is a normal 8 hours. Which means that you are making 400 Canadian dollars a day. I mean a basic, it will to be any up to 100 Canadian dollars per 1 hour. Okay, so let's say you are making a basic way of 8 hours. So you are earning about 400 Canadian dollars 1 day. Now multiply Canadian 400 by always emphasize 20. Would you Saturday Sunday few 20? You are making 8,000 Canadian dollars. It's 8,000. Now you are a danka 2,000. You have $6,000 left. And no sesana so pese and no crown made basic na a year you edu any 100 way.
Okay.
Check out Ghana. Obi any 400 Ghana. 500 Ghana. Even 300.
Yeah. 200.
200. Transport for fuel, gallon of fuel 2015. Now 4 cities and then I'm 13 cities. That should be the discussion. From 4 to what 13 cities.
Okay.
Look at the difference. Big.
Very.
80, 70, any 300. Whatever they say, maybe any 1,000.
Okay.
1,000. Not every day. Averagely, what they say, maybe economy between that to grab baby. It would me spend I think crowd spend on food. Yeah, let's say spend 50 cities. Now multiply 50 by 20. How much is that?
2 points. Points.
Thank you. And we have transport. Make the basic pay of 1,000 in a year. Light in my.
Okay.
Say light. Once you have 100 Ghana, what they come at 350. Only you. What the other say? Also saw home. Tell Panu 10, every 10, every 10, 30 Ghana. Multiply by 20, 600. What the boy I brought 1,000. One shot I is your my what is this woman talking about? You see, sometimes no, okay, the way Ghanaian politicians think, then you want to vomit. I'm telling you.
Okay.
When your opportunity and you are talking this trash, I think she is sick. People don't know. Because sometimes I want to believe that she's not the one talking. But so what I said, how can you talk like this? Mami can be sure. Say it's about called Le Bon. And hold on that also let me use it as a basic way. A hostel at 10,000 per year.
Okay, for the year.
Now are you fee paying students? To know just 6,000 a year.
Okay.
16,000. Every month, be honest, money 1,000 as pocket money. When you are collab expenses in America,
okay,
we will matter. What am I using? Now, me try go fast. No matter.
okay.
80. Me back first one in one. O calculate 1,000 by 12. Just a year. No, or spending about 12,000 on food, plus 10,000. Look, are you crazy? And you are here talking. Meanwhile, I'm here university. There's no even job. Baby, I'm was a CA, meaning comfort 3 or 4. I'm here ago for the past 4 years. On Yajuma. And come and speak this trash. When the man go for Buffalo. How can I say, is this woman talking sense? What better economy? And not for your 4 Ghana, or the 13 cities, and you are clapping for yourself. COVID money you buy 33 billion. Sigano way. Uba you see we won't pay for siabecha light and water. Oh yeah, what the sigano san billion. Sigano ya the man no mutie yo Ghana for adine asana. Because yo ya mauska yeah, sika ya the man from COVID 33 billion Ghana cedis. European Union almost 12 million Ghana cedis, $12 million. America ma way baby. Says can you say first so you say for free.
Okay.
Gamble to way ya no. Or we pay COVID Nicola, COVID Nicola, we need say manufactured. Oh, we are pet no the COVID tax buy. Or the betty, Adriano. Me was cano, when do you?
Adriano Soma.
And Yanama. Oh, we are not say light and water no catch so. May the summer say no or betty. Ain't it? Oh, we are not start say increasing what? Bill. Taxes near the crash share when electricity, a friend of COVID levy as a shame. Or the other taxes buy. Oh, buy also nuisance tax 10. Who if you move? Since I go for to buy taxes on the other 29. You see, oh yeah, analysis now. Yeah, analysis me ye. Near who is going. Ghana near some party. What's in America say? When you know buyer, nipa brea massa to say even to eat once a day is a problem. If go for your fasting and you saw me fasting. Ghana say oh pay yare kuye pa e pressure and an ulcer. Pressure because nipa na so only baby oko. And an ulcer because only day. And yes say common and no only score the bedidi. Ahuche na ba ma asori for kra say ye to correction. No be jina na kan kwase asem say na ye ode. Who the year compare Germany? She's lying. Germany, they are not rationing water. I said no can and so who say you go for so outside the country. My sister was US for the past so many years or call US about 20 something 30 something years. You don't like back up and not anywhere we do fear do like the whole day and obey yes sir. As if we are being punished. Or she want the home, you can't sleep. Your children can't sleep from a night to a neck. And then I send a light here. Now, there be a say, you remember, we the citizens, we don't have the right to demand, but they have the right to what? Demand from us. Waba, over the electricity. Meanwhile, Mekaniama, where I am, in Siobaba, a bill woman, but every month, they will tell you, say, expect your what? Water bill. Oh, and then I said, it's in California, your money. Now, instead of you make catch up, say, why are you not working and you expect me to pay? Because 1 year, Juma, I don't expect to pay you. Yeah. Meanwhile, we are there. So say your mom or back university and you so about me, and might be anyhow. I just saw corner, which then is so we are start to work Juma. Now, maybe I start to make my capital way. Because who buy it? Now, young friend say interest rate, John Hammer, on yet. Well, now I was 24. And the interest rate was up is count back at 42%. Yes, and you may and I bet you capital loan of 42% and work. These are hard facts. What I say? Electricity. Where I am, it top 400 cedis a month. Okay. Electricity. She said light, a boy they say rights. And you are telling me, say, you made Ghana a business hub. How? They don't even understand it. To make it a business hub, the reason why your factories, you know, they are relocated to Cote d'Ivoire and say, Cote d'Ivoire have cheap what? Power. I don't know how they do it, but their power is very cheap.
Very, okay.
West Africa, open your petrol boy in Ghana, it's also number 2 after Senegal.
Okay.
The whole West Africa. Africa credit, the whole Africa credit.
Wow.
It's your source of energy, fuel is very high. Your electricity is very high. The water system is not good.
It's not good.
Your transportation system is not good. So how do you become a business hub? Maybe they are doing about what am I coming to do here? It is our investments now. I'm buying the sorry no. He should call it quits. Because Obroni Jimmy or what is happening? No, idea AC what Ghana say. Insuo emuna na nkofo papa ise insuo nto. Such a stupid country. Insuo muna ya papa ise insuo nto because insuo be yiri nkofo. But we have leaders and they'll come and sit on TV and talk trash like this. This is the country we are in.
This is the country we are in. Too much age. Afric Media making sure so they'll comment back our comment section. Honor where every Daniel or Paridi Or see, because you benefit personally, that's why you are defending NPP government. The government that is families for position, Minister of Finance, Chief Justice, Minister of Defense, etc. Ebusuan Chenfa government is NPP. Nah, so part of say ministers no meaning na ebusuan.
Well, okay, well benefiting. Okay, share me nipo buy okay say ni pay 12,000. When you pay, nurses or pay 1,500. What is she talking about? Wow, okay, say she's living in space. Huh? Ghana, for you to even earn 3,000, it means you are earning good way. You are earning good money. Now they calculate 3,000 po. Multiply by 30. Oh my. 100 Ghana a day. How many people can spend 100 Ghana a day and be comfortable? For water room, Bibia will not calculate share. Are you even you find 3,000 yet? Now 3,000 may see a 12 cow Ghana 3,000. It means you're okay. It means you are doing good job. Because me fund any you see these people they don't live in the reality. And you know why?
Why?
Oko UK, your MP, you sit in the bus. The reason why you sit in the bus is to know the plight of the ordinary person.
Okay.
So that you also fight for the person. What in bus now you do a traffic woman. Parliament and nothing who gain this they don't take who gain how to make sure say the traffic will flow. Hey, Agyapong 12 million gone down the drain. $12 million so yeah check gone down the drain. Ministers and when you have over 86 ministers, why they don't I mean small country like Ghana. National Cathedral was spending over $200 million. America, they $100 million. AC National Cathedral.
Okay.
And you are saying you've done what?
No.
You took an economy. Now Fuo was selling at 4 cities. Now Fuo is 13 cities, and you tell me you've done what?
No.
Am I crazy?
No.
You basic nyama. She say, "Oh, go hospital." Now we are basic for Sikato 5,000.
For that.
How many people can afford 5,000? That is the reality. That is the reality. Oba call SHS. And Yama so back to every 4,000. And what better? It is this a fact that they need to know and understand. But if they don't understand, I don't blame them. I blame the Constitution. Because a man only lives above certain limits. They don't even understand how our system works. And no kojina dokuno and open bato dokuno. So we dokuno in China 20 Ghana.
Sir.
Yes. Because in China man become here no 10 cities here no me back ticket in grandson no. Eti adopen dokuno in China man be 20 Ghana.
Area mai.
And you remember eti wo de aduane ko adi 60 Ghana. Matofo line
100 cities. Aha too much age Afric Media nkomotwetwe no emu ayetare na ye ko akakoshe ensamo a etwegu efa MPP for and especially ye kan ye Frank Atumi the current flag bearer Elma the new patriotic party no we yi the campaign team na yade a Yura Kennedy Agyapong yade a yehunu say contention bi aba omo aya elect omo as campaign team members no ye wonu crofo bi mu eti say yaw adomako ba fi honorable Mavis Hawakumsen Dennis Miracle Abuaje and afin so Frederick Opare Ansa Mr. Bruce ye hwa san crofo we ya obekai say abra na election no ekoso no yade a san crofo we ya ne honorable Kennedy Agyapong no mani enhia ama honorable crab ka che ne say san crofo we and all former campaign team members ne dia ene na enkoyi sa yesha na wabu na asem so akofform as campaign team no e dey ba dey pa na yebekoso.
I think MPP wants to go into opposition, including the leader Dr. Bawumia. Because I would be to say how I Kumsen, I can campaign team you go into opposition. Only Kasa. Or you're a very proud woman, only how to talk.
Okay.
Only the plight of the ordinary person. Miracle woman, they don't even know how to talk. Campaign team na lawyer, not Nipa and for so many Sammy and me only the crowd. What confirm when no me say NPP wants to go into what opposition and they will go. Because who confirm for say na interviewer Nipa confirm go na mami we kasa say on the platform, do you expect to get votes? You can't get votes.
Let's say you come here.
You come here. Or purchase and you come here, Daniel Miase. And then some Daniel Miase.
Be say, yeah,
or Maya Yamaya, the beer will Yase. Fool, petrol. Sika, you know, a film with a woman, $1 billion. Better Sikania Quantiano. It's about $500 million. Better, and yet, you started to know. Now, catch them say, when you let to go Bobusia. Now, Busia, me, when you're not still on Yando Chromia, what say I should be what? Content?
No.
What are you talking about? Hey, Nipa say only what we call reality. Then we have to say, Bawumia, or person winning about Bawumia, he should come and then we will lecture him how to win. I'm telling you, now, Frank of say you lose big time. Because the reality is that the economy has collapsed. The reality is that what's the economy now? Oh dear, open BBD channel, fashion constitution, no? Open BBD channel, also constitution in here.
Okay.
Me ben no na mesesano. Me Bawumia be can same way I'll vote for you. But over be catch and say Russia-Ukraine war, any COVID that, then you're not serious as a nation. When did COVID come? Russia and Ukraine, how much of an impact is it having on us? Minimum. The Jimmy and Ketia with all the land and Namidia man here say you can wheat of Russia.
Right, correct.
Snow talk. Let's see Jimmy. Jimmy can do it. Meanwhile, you tell me the word a bro. You tell me a bro. Yeah, bro. The what? Cassava, a dear bro. Yeah, you will be a friend of referee. But you will be here with me share where you have what we call the advantage. Someone produce wheat. None you produce and make use of it.
Yes.
Sana for gain. Obibini nwe sa. Ya de dia ya kofa, ye fa to so mani pa ye mbu nipa. And na tell say Russia, o crab with war. I not even ashamed rights on Thailand. Land men away. They don't even have land. And campaign team near me says, hey, what is wrong with him? These people, I don't take you to opposition. Straight away. And you see, NDC, if even NDC don't campaign, they will win. I'm telling you.
Okay.
They will win. Because one man, they not say how I can come see, but now, where's the law of Kasa say, and it's for bomb and some. Go on. Because you're not even talking reality. Oh, by you see, ya form, ya say on mine. But if you when to ever Russian grammar, Constitution now, you need one and ya. I don't hear by your baba's son. No, my net me calling him. Oh, Casasem went to Obia, Obian Senyaso, because IGP, he doesn't have to be appointed by the president.
Okay.
People are chopping money because, oh dear, they will hide behind the president and then nobody can do them anything. Politician, yes, yo, where they are man 2 years. Or we are man 14 years. Appointed 20 years. We are mad people. Obiako for $6 million. Ni command 5 years. Sikari Christ is there. Obiako we are appointed accommodate near man 40 years. This is the country we are living in. Because the chief justice is also appointed by what? The president. Okay. It is so starting now who told now who making discussion constructive. Something that I can think about. But don't come and tell me when you go to Canada, when you go, what do you mean?
Okay.
Don't be raising there.
And this is only year Kennedy Agyapong ya Jane says Sanko Fowe and a year about me I de cutting the hood on Donyana.
No, there is either. A go forward of a team no a group. No, the first statement of Hawa Kumsin was terrible. terrible. The attitude, the kasa, the posture on the TV, terrible. It is a way of campaign with ya campaign. That's the fact. It's Yera honorable Kennedy or everywhere to say I won't join and I support him because me joining idea. Me say Ebakogu na menima guase. I joined the winning team. Me joining the losing team.
Punchline. So I can say all tight it's Agyapong ubenya bibi a film. Yeah, when I be for the first section no yeah call the second section no so na me go so e try comment e wo fidiem ha nam say into no mo fambra one na be ka wo say city event masters and also yasne e dignity e bro baby bia wo hwe e wo bia no wo ye bibi e fanhye mu ade ho say e wedding party engagement Christine outdooring and one Christine no and na afei so anniversaries eyiyo jai omotenete Tochiamo 0594603869 no mo be di udwumedie no enfam now fefe and na dey so dey dia videos upon videos be trend on social media pa efa ye nuaba Empress nana ama Mcbrown ho na nsem ankofo ka ne say ye nuaba e free say ofri aware na sem ne ho aye fe ye pa because can life be na ono aye nim say ono dey ba fashion dia one in town or ya dey Then after the divorce, alleged divorce, no, idea. You know, send entirely shemunia the and the hyperments, Ubehuna Tadi be now was shade fine, fair. And I prefer be who ye during the current event, be a muka say, Nana, Udi and Kayanim to say now too. Udi and call you beer and bunny decency need at the idea, oh, yeah, the year pa, or whenever the same. And the one of slave queen for you your corner now for a semi ayana German assem canana will be an drink epa. Also for dear Brenner de Yesim and Kunya. Mumaya share video Corinthia and Mcbrown for a casa. Way and a video ama obia kasa na dokso ebi mo kasa aso sisi ade obi born a life e was say handcrofo ana say your life and your life obi so kasa wakwa celebrity die and na wasem adane daily graphic obia ekinkan bi asam ne pa ye funny sing Mr. Bruce
yeah
na better na so
you see our everyone caged me am na me ho so a bit more you know any achi na way atare dia fe hwe no fo na happy na me kwa nim say no fo so sa come on be ma dey owu ade fa
no waka
so you see don't be hypocrite
okay
this is beautiful
very
don't share say ya wa happy no fo ya every minim so dey enku kakra so fa ho a enya bad na shine but ya best me can say you see life I want don't live for somebody.
Okay.
And somebody won't live for you. What did I make her say? They be say we rest bibimu na enye Nyankopon a you are doomed. Bibia say we duma na rest mu pa e da we duma begu no so be ya be yo. Say wo kunu na oye wo God a wo kunu obetimi awu obetimi anya ase no to obetimi agya awu bibia betimi asi.
Yes.
Tina Bible cry said, no me can no de no to but you see, you will be a friend of self-motivator. Obi said Nana Mcbrown.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Obi to make her happy.
No.
That comes to my another point. Make yourself happy. Happy yourself.
Okay.
And yes, so who can no be pa be twofold. I know be pa Juani, I know be cry a bone command you die. What's in the American say? Because me but no be coming home. Whatever makes me happy, I need to do it.
Okay.
And see, there are times I even encourage people to be selfish small indulge in yourself. Usika now the kola, take time out. Every time you go to Aqua Safari, relax a bit. Because I know you're born here now. What did I mean? I said, can't papa ya bay. Who says can on you be a Toby and ya pepe? Not them. Would them my crack brown? But yes, you know, maybe I mean when anything wrong with the dress, unless somebody sees something wrong. A nice dress. I happy camera. And you see, or your icon. Yeah. Or your beer, on me repeat your career. And when you pep. Ne position now we do. On me repeat your career. It's your career now or better no. I say exclusive. And most of these dresses are even what sponsored. Okay. It's say obi or sponsor attire, you know, or design be mawa. And there's nothing wrong. Attire way me sha. I'm cool. Unless so ya tetekwa. But sha, it's fine. Wash it, come on. Unu for ya happy and go. Me won in nipple. And obi won in nipple. As soon as I'm here, as soon as the effect. Now, when pa na maso jai na maso no ejimi fo.
Wanya de kora.
Dabio, me say ade when pa na maso jai na maso ejimi fo.
But some him says still now na ye nua ba no na so you so me Sunday.
But on sharing. Did you see it? Ring?
No say on sharing so you.
No, because me near wedding.
Okay. My
ye jai ba currently me near wedding. But when you wedding so sharing, especially women. Obi say na nama the ring is important to her. It is obey ring na to her. Now say edu echire.
Ebia na
emia wa 26 year. Ring the ultimate for when you excuse mommy. There's a problem. And she's tired. Wa try so be cover up me oh. Then now okọ radio station now no nko explaining. Ne ho say ye nya we are right now so we are in a group. Because ba no yes, I can bear money do what no, when coming to craft friend on phone. We are not kids. Our in a group. Our in a group. But near me, then said, Nanama has moved on. What chance are you matured? Oh, maybe be Hano. I say, yes, in your name, the pie back. When you be now, also, that we have a catching member now. More corporate people. Yeah, you're careful. So worry corporate oba before akolane mayeno oba feel say you are the god of her life eba no you akolane be yia attention no be shift aba akolane so ho jimi a obekọ
ye beti utikita
menya ba awari amawari bida e dey we na me ya it say wo be jai bibia say na wakofa otolo a e wa line.
Okay, every muscle can say, ye near ban or pen idea ye be keke, and eaty and our man Maxo, a corny baby, and also ye be funny.
And yet, you see, sad demeanor, Maxo from day one, I didn't like his demeanor in the marriage. The demeanor, no, may Bama, as if say ye force no, so on worry. Now, Mcbrown was always talking about the marriage. Maxo, what kind of marriage was that? Now my obia meti wo baby say masa o ma obi fufuro kwa no aduane mani kunu o tu kwan na obe make sure so obe kono when chese na aware ne som ne bo na da bia me say e bia wo na wo feel say nipa no ware still bo ja o ti ma che bona be mana he's my boyfriend brand because here now I see bisanu miensa e ma girlfriend na boni di no obo a man 5 din girl na no for say ono ne the main chick no ni di ama o dey get about 10 one boy na we say we can it means say wo na for say ono make twemp na so ware me ba mi mitim de maja
Unji ndi say ebia na Max or a very private person. It's a combination and
hey, now you're private. Why do you come and marry somebody like Mcbrown?
Say you're private. It's no one funny side of the story.
Side of the story in the no matter, you see, problem be is not beyond you.
Okay.
It's not the be say boys and girls don't marry. Mishia wonu ye kote kakra. Mihwe usuba mihwe kasa mihwe ne ye na me catch me wo mtim say metimi ade we ye kwa aware san ye chi and you wrong. Oh kwa aware for better for worse. Enti wo do ti wura mu wi a kata wani bibi a bebe bia mane. O fa wo ti wura ma bia wani. Na ha wani na hwem. O hwe na bibi be hawa pull out. E ko wura mu wi na nka jam say mehu na ejimifo. I'm telling you.
Now anyway.
Enti whatever you saw. You see, adie bia papa ni boni ni na e battle bia obi anya 100%. You be a total package.
Okay.
Package in a buy, box bibia home TV, who's a TV? Ozo akota. Ya buy, see a bag box. TV depend na who so need so show. Ba box no we here no adale bola. Ade white na show na you, that's why na bola me boa. Ba ni na ka total package ne de bra.
Okay, na se bola nko a.
It's a bola and papa ni nyina e wodia. Enti American check me say me didn't go feel na Musa Subawe and you know why just say you why you due diligence.
Say love is blind though.
Which love is blind? You only become blind in the marriage.
Oh.
But doing courtship, open your eyes. Bema, ya ware no. Na go on inside. And can tell me say obasa. Oba o won 4 member bebre ya ware no ebidi no on kan kira. Sam bestie. Don't even tell me that.
Okay.
What I said. So there are things that you know say about way the idea with the need to say be I never say me doni pano oni kasa. That I can change with time. But oba sabi woni ne nam no hu be ma foforo na otafeta na no. Wadi no ntrim. Sasu na bema wonam na de bia ni phone so wonam ha to talk wonam say no ye odi ma ne sako.
So
It is sa bema say don't marry the person. And can tell so me worry na. He or she change. Osanda subai mi wa esa. Subai esa ye kasa ni sa nya manyama no e bia the way as me behave e bi kra na me background na nye. And not na me behave say ti wo fa me na me like what tell me yi ba me bema forget it. Many na mo sa na me di wa tire sa na ko. Enti ade bi wo wa kofa musuo na ma wo so.
sa any sign. Na yes ye free be say social media life and our real life. And it will go on ma said they display on social media and yes not here in real life. Even media no so add to celebrities in one.
You see, for big say na nama, the only fault me warn who said, are you too open to men? Me and on the side and I'm a power here. And me met in the social life. I predicting who she is in real life. Real life, no, Nana will be very passionate about love. Or you'll be or per se, you should every day cherish her. Make her know, say, you are my queen. Or you'll be a same hand offense, you'll be catcher. What I say? And now, or you'll be if you want to have time, she'll wait for you. These are the qualities of what we call a marriage material. And now we need Oba Sabe or do or mountain or to me bending over. I guess I can make a circle, but who don't make a crack?
Hey, and you work with children.
Yes! Now, madame will be or do at 20 or do Sunyane. At 20, say, oh, who 20 dear Jack or do Sunyane near a 20 baby, Jai. But I mean, Cassie Swan said, Udo Bia, you make sacrifices for the person. Idea, normally you wouldn't do, you do it. And that is something that you have to look out for. Say, baby, I did you a man. Oh, what from baby? Na me ice cream made you. And ya wanna me nam. Ba me sweetheart I can't see. Me for one my tablet. That's love. Yes. We hear point Jumaba. Why show baby ma? Oh, honey. Me nya buyer be see me just hey. My bro, ba won't see me yama. That is what we call love. Na say yes na ice cream keke. What bodampa. Na woman na ha no so be ice cream. Opa ice cream akwa so no.
I mean say this kana ko.
Da be this cow send me. Sometimes no, and yet to admit me to a man per se. And yes want to me to. But say nipa who done tomawa is nicer.
Me say.
What I say is nicer. And we be poor word man. Now one pepe. Now we have a text message about. Hey, now one hey, baby no for baby. Me say we call lunch mommy. Only ho, but actually no yen is one dream.
Me say.
What I say? Na nya obi a, wo friend oh, na baby and then we call for baby me only want to cry my. We don't talk like that. Okasa say ya woni mie.
Na chere say undo nana.
And not that should be the key because obey no wa onye be on try so baby bia ma o da. But a man anymore osi o we dey san no enye san no tie. Hwe okwa abonti ya the girlfriend obi e ka ama no. What did I make her say? Wonder we yire mu nyina mo cars. O yire ka say. Be ma papa wa gi mu dono. Wo do ka e ma wo yire na wa na tefa. I don't your friend odo.
Odo kan.
Yes. What the man no because of him. When you need to make a failure, but wo be man you were born like that. Who you say ya? It just obano they be na you cause because or him say you cherish her. What you say? It's the number that was what he was looking for. But Mr. Maxwell also spoon feed, you know. I need too much of listen. Na number one born who so said you so who the so down. Obado don't take her for granted. Who taking her for granted that you laugh at the wrong side of your mouth. Because a da oba be sano but bonisem. So who boy gamaya bosie. Go one boy say now we yiri hu. Now we start so boy gamaya. I don't know before we bring stroke no.
Sir, and na oma no motor pressure ne mo.
Say that be who do so oba lo ti. Who say e member bi wo ha o say ameyire de o ti nya sa o boa. Say if let me call abonsam kwaji fruit ni dia oba bi atimi bibia he and my incubators what you give them they will give you back multiply and give you it's them bia sa wona wo ye kasa harshly otutu worse man you are not laughing e bedu time no obehu say unknowingly no ono so asati tutu bi ma o say now wo say yes na kasa na wo kan no wa mini ni nyina no wa digest no wa multiply and say o dey ma what's your problem? You don't have a problem.
Yeah, I don't know.
But say who you be a who boo yere.
Okay.
The word is who boo yere. Who boo yere. Who make us a prefer girlfriend. And then we think I just have. But who boo yere. Who marry girlfriend and friend with yere. Who boo yere. What didn't it to what? Girlfriend and girlfriend who bake. What you say? Who boo yere. You tell the girlfriend some master and friend me at this time. Let the other woman know say this is my wife. Let the whole world know say this is my wife. And now for cry, Agyapong come on. Oh yeah, fra. Oh baby. So I tell about you. Oh, Pachomeba. Oh yes, Pachomeba from a semico. Man, the funny say oh the Otola get father. But the respect now with the man unity. The same way we used to be. Now what 10 out friend because oh baby, Miss Meba. And there be a problem never. I send me to me. But okay, now to her. Obi dey saw me so me who say me pay kakra na over from me. Now trans extra 3 hours. Why be? A good time be and that be friend eh. Now so if you pay me pay. Afọ be ba na oni ho. Baby okwa no akwa dey. We konya bra bi dey bon komo. Until the next time I go back 7 o'clock no. Oyi ba 11. Why the course here? We can course here. Until ye mema no, ye nyama emma edane. Ye nyama emma edane.
Yo, and then aha, you will be able to say a full package, open counseling kakra, open herbalist kakra, open D4 kakra, open Bibian kakra kandi yafra, and ye diaba better hanum say. Baba then say what do I drink fan some na you go ne ever back comment section honey because we share comments now. Make our city event masters and answer yes need to meet here bro. Oh yeah, dear be yen shemwa dear say a wedding party engagement any idea piano. So chiamo 0594603869 and check na ye the uncommon channel aba ewie
Mcbrown bako William Tete o si otie na o wife pa nya misha
sa me da na say
do say otie
okay me da say bright Tete me hu dia me kadra anyway Mr. Bruce dia akwako bi eni ebi mo kas ni enu aba no fine yet you say fashion there but who say she has gone to the extreme by almost going naked.
Oh, this is not naked. Do you know the word naked? This is not naked. You see, when you expose certain parts of your body to say one sunny way, to me it's normal. Baby, I because almost naked in the area. What should be your say your be intimate parts, say your thighs, your inner thighs, and maybe our two and a baby. But the top on it, me who nakedness be.
Okay.
I see a woman who is more bold now. That's how I see it. Sabe on can if you say me kunu jimi nti me chefie Debbie, she's out there and she's having life. Because na number abro yase enye ma so na so ba be kana show enye obi na e ba be kana show dem wa bre it bre na wa bre no mani ni bi o ye be ma utimi ko ba she ye pie wo se me nko me pie jaw what did I mean say?
Okay.
Treat your woman right and she'll be there for you. Obedient me. Oh, they be me can be here. Mama catch your thing be na me here.
Catch them.
Me time lady be me irrit you. I check na me worry. Na worry.
Okay, I check. But you make an
Sometimes na me guy be am the edge man no obo ban wo golden chile.
Okay.
On both Thursdays. Until lady said she wants to go out. Na sure I'll take you to golden chile. Near boy.
No, how about for one?
Price room. But guy they catch me so you'll be buffet time. To me they call buffet time. The noon jam be. Near Patra, you do a guy and say, wow, girl, and I'm catch that. Boy, now I'm saying, Castle, my director is here, so I'm giving shout out to what boy girl is. Imagine, send you probably break you on your body. And white girl say, hey,
we a big man.
Ben, and then when you're Matia cow, hey, it takes little to please a woman. And yet, going to live with not to me because the pandemic or a big girl. But for the fact, say, or you say, oh, this cat, but you've gone out of your way to make her happy. Cook ya, eh? Who I won't find we didn't peer for the past 2 years, who need answer. Cook ya, eh? Cook your 5 cities, 10 cities. Money what's not maybe to cook, no to cook, no. Once a while, leave the kids at home. There's time for everything.
Yeah.
And you'll be a honma, or see me cloning me, Pierre, open in the baby.
Aye.
Open in the baby.
I'm not in who cry baby.
It's the little time that you have, show it to your wife. It's when you start the moment and now one day so many boys were so
Yes.
And then Kasa. But Obe who said you have enough time. It's once a while, those so the boys have fun. Only problem, a smart man. Eliase, players. They can't play a player. Omo na omo yinim so omo don pa. Was I don't play no omo hu. And oye bibia o fie pepepe. Into where dem.
Na omo kura bebu ani.
Yes, but who ya don, who ya smarter. And no na so yele chi no. Because who pay fie so akọ dibi. O abonten, o ba yo ide o be dem Mcbrown wa. Wa ko dibi wa abonten gba na ba na oye so pet 3 times kwa from ano.
Sir.
Yes.
Na umbra.
Brand in there. It will do girlfriend one money too. They just wear one back. Over now, yes, the mama. The moment you start denying your wife, or say you are going out. Yes, it's a girlfriend or performance by maybe they meet before. Mama, 2 was more years of fear. Honestly, 2. Oh, yes, sir. Now, what who call ya, or my star back, or not by a catcher, Akosia. Stars be a mining powder only me, wait me. Well, who says what would you, baby? What would you? Or you apply or come baby no back. But could you buy a tea road and so do on one home? It's what the tea road of 1 hours have a good or run one is a then next one who says what could you be?
Oh, God, you say.
Who got you so that tea road for it's everyone that or barricades or yepia. But both them, baby, yes, we need to be smart. We are men.
Okay, obi so we are smart me so be hurry up. Obenya we e here. I just say I have a pair. But what they say o de bia obeka yensa. Yes, she am and I say it's na say am pa 10 a.m. pepe afi enyume so 4 p.m. Share your hanum say ya we will say share more junction sa ko de ne ka ni sem. Ya de ansem ni na abewi ye beje Mr. Bruce na ni December e track wo. Efa Yebra Kennedy Japan why that ni say campaign team we and I hear about me at the cordia or no dear or fan no end dom. And I think so ye near by Empress and I'm Mcbrown. None of this a big chat.
Hear about me. Take this from me if you want campaign message. Catch up your constitution in yet because I'm going to say constitution in yet. For blaming national constitution. Number Ghana form wow. Who win the power and okay, remember such a paper. So that's a constitution. What's the sack? That's to say, power now president's new crown and you be I'll vote for you. Now, you probably say how I come and finding deep who campaign and him. Or best say because only the realities. Ghanaians, let's hold them accountable, Kaka. I say I relax to do. No, they are what? Our servants, we are the masters. Let them know. Now live life to the fullest. Her entirely shabby. Who say who's ya? Sheni abe ya. Na Maxwell. Hey, why should I be? Your friend be pearl or gem. Well, Lusu. Na Sadia Lulusua. You take him back no difficult. Oh yeah, she's a gem, she's a pearl. And for sure, for them, because oh wait there, Massa. You are Tibia when you call on a year. Honest way, Manuesi.
Obi brought for Kaya or say, dear, Makakofa abo na major diamond at the outward and is any nation channel. Na a decoration poor. In any shame beer and his kakoko. I hired too much GH, I hire Afric Media, and any day they come back and say, Bashar said, what a man is a Nasi video to money put the Kaya on side and they can be a crowd.
That's just some Nαked and Agyapong with the piano. Ube here, sell Ube chat a home info at the Atoho. Page Mekwa or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now sell pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track kwaye. Ewa abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum soa. A papa dear and no one City Event Masters.